So 775 Off-Road Recovery, along with Fox Factory Initiative Trail Trust, we're giving your organization $1,000.
No, thank you, Phil. Thank you for what you do out there. We appreciate it.
Take care of all those horrible tires and junk that just gets left out.
That'll pay for some of it.
But wait, there's more, Phil.
Oh.
You're going to Disneyland.
So my name is Rita Heidkamp. I've organized this show. I'm with 775, but I'm also the founder with my husband of an organization called Random Acts of Conservation. And Random Acts of Conservation encourages individual contributions, kind of like Random Acts of Kindness. But if you are the one who goes and picks up that piece of trash, you don't know who's watching. Somebody else might say, oh, I can do that too. Or whatever little thing you can do to conserve our traditions, whether they be Second Amendment traditions, talk about it. We are here to encourage that and to recognize the people who do like Phil did with Desert Pigs. So we are matching the Fox Factory Trust. So we really appreciate what you do. And for those who would like to chip into this, Phil's webpage, Desert Pigs, has a donate button. So feel free. So thank you, Phil.
Thank you so much.
And I think we need a nice photo op.
All right, yeah. Go here.
When Charlie sees the check, he wants it.
Oh, you got to get in here too, Charlie.
Come on, Charlie.
Let's get Charlie in here.
Hey, you got...
This guy's my hero.
Hold the check, bro.
All right.
There you go.
Smile.
Charlie, look at the camera. Smile. All right, one more round of applause for Phil.
Everyone, thank you very much, guys. Remember, this stuff cannot be possible without your help and your contribution as well to 775 Off-Road Recovery. So if you want one way